welcome to the IFSC. Um, most big cities have the IFSC, the International Financial Service District Centre, right there we go, in the heart of the city, close to. But we kind of pushed it off to the east. So to get here, you'd have to kind of come out to the west. There we go. So it's fairly new, actually. Like, do you know what the funny thing is? Like, I could have been a millionaire or a billionaire by now. I remember driving. Well, I wasn't driving, but I was being driven by a friend down here well before this place took off. I was like, "We should buy a plot of land, lads, down here because it's close to the city centre, and it'll take off." And you were like, "No, it's miles away." And I'm sure the land at that time was going dirt cheap. So I could have made a lot of profit on that. But anyway, such is life, missed opportunities. But yeah, so I don't know all the names of the buildings here. I know one of them is Salesforce, one of them is the Central Bank, PwC, and then we have the Tree Arena, and then actually to the left of where we are now, that's Bord Gáis Theatre. So there's two theatres kind of relatively close to one another. You would take the red line to get down to the Point Theatre, but you could also take the red line close enough to get to Bord Gáis. It's about 5-10 minute walk from the tram station. So that barge that you're seeing there now, I don't know if it's still gone because of COVID, but that used to be a bar. Probably still is. Oh, and just on a note, today is January 22nd. Basically all of the restrictions have been lifted. Pubs are back to normal opening hours. You can do indoor and outdoor events, no restriction on people. You still only need the COVID cert for travel, mainly. I don't even think you need it to get into the pub anymore, which is great. And you still need to wear a mask for at least another month. I'm pro-mask. I'm ugly, so it does me fine. Plus, when I'm wearing the mask doing these walking tours, no one sees my lips moving. So it's not like I'm seen talking to a camera. So it works out for me. Like, I don't mind the mask. Plus, it keeps the face warm in winter. I don't know if I've done this before. So this is a bell. There's a bit of history on this. We'll walk through it. Actually, it's a free museum. So I was going to do the IFSC district, go for a walk around there for a while. So yeah, it's January 22nd, but this is going up on April 3rd. Just because I was doing my long haul of videos to catch up while I take my trip to Thailand and not have to worry about the channel. So let's take a little look-see, shall we? Some water flowing through. And a hard day's work. Ah, yeah, so they used to use these things to trap the air so that they could work under the liffey and stuff like that. Yeah. So I think that there is one of the remainder ones that they used. That's Samuel L. Beckett Bridge. Don't know who the guy is, but you know me, I don't know much. Oh, that is the convention centre. If you're ever here for a convention, that's the convention centre. I think we only have one in Ireland, I don't know. But the convention centre and Samuel Beckett Bridge are very popular with photographers to come down here at night time, and they light up. So like the kind of ring bands that you see in the convention centre, each one of them is like LEDs, and then the harp strings. It was shaped after a harp. The harp strings also light up, and you have some cool ones for Christmas. You've probably seen on YouTube. I wasn't down here at the time. Then we have the ferryman. I was in there for a quick point. Sorry.